Laziest jobs that pay really well. Part 1. 1. Professional binge watcher. 2. Professional ice cream taster. 3. Fortune cookies writer. 'Follow me for more work from home.